Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to just draw another sketch sample. You can see we will draw this sketch here, and here we have some circles, arcs, and we will pattern these circles. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. Here I click on new part, okay. Here I click on the front plane. We mostly draw our sketch on the front plane. I will tell you what's the use of the other plane. So here just click on the front plane and click on the sketch. And here we have to draw a circle. We always start with our origin point. Here choose a circle here and draw a circle. Sorry, the center of the circle must be origin point. So here when I get close to the origin point, orange point appears, so I draw a circle. Now I have to give it dimension 58 millimeter. It is 58 millimeter, the diameter of the circle. Now we have to draw another circle here, this circle. So I draw another circle, and the dimension of these two circles are equal, and I give them equal relation. Okay. And the center of these two circles are vertical. So here in add relation, it doesn't matter if you hold the control button on your keyboard and choose these two entities, or here choose add relation. It doesn't matter. Here I choose these 2 points, and in add relation I give them vertical relation. Okay. Now my sketch is moving. The circle here is moving. You have to give it a dimension. Sorry. Here I choose a smart dimension and I give these 2 points a dimension 68 millimeter. You can see here it is 68 millimeter. Now we have to draw the arcs here. So here we have 3 arcs. Here I choose the arc and I start with this circle, and the center of the arc must be this side of a sketch. Now we have to draw another arc, so I choose the point here, and here is okay, and the center of the arc must be the right side of the sketch here. And the last arc here, I choose the point here and I connect the arc to the circle, the top circle. Now you have to give them relation, so all the arcs are tangents to each other. So here I hold the control button and I choose these 2 entities. When you hold the control button, you can't choose more than 3 entities. Just in some cases you can choose more than 3 entities and give it relation. So here we have 2 entities and I have to give them tangent relation, okay. And I do the same thing with these 2 arcs, tangent relation here, and here tangent relation. Now I have to give them radius. It is 100 millimeter, the radius of this arc, 100 millimeter. And let's move the sketch, and the radius of this arc is 100 millimeter. So I can give it equal relation. So I give them equal relation to these 2 arcs, equal relation. Now the radius of this arc is 100 millimeter. Now the radius of this arc here, it is 14 millimeter. It is 14 millimeter. Now the dimension from this point to this point is 4D millimeter. It is 4D millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is, sorry, it is 34 millimeter. It is 34 millimeter. Now the sketch is full defined. We have to keep drawing our sketch. You can see the sketch here is full defined. It is black. When all the entities are black, it means that your sketch is full defined. Here we have to do the same thing, but the dimensions here are different, the right side of the sketch. Here we have 3 arcs. Here I choose arc and I have to draw 3 arcs. So here I start with this arc. When you come here and get close to the circle here, you can see the circle will turn to orange. It means that if you click your mouse, your arc will be connected to the circle. So the relation will be automatically applied. So here the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and here I have to draw another arc. So I start with this point and here, and the center of the arc must be this side of a sketch, and we have to draw another arc, and I choose this point and the circle here, and we have to give them relation. So here we have to apply the tangent relation, the same as here. So here I give the arc here and the circle here tangent relation, here tangent relation again, and here tangent relation, and just hold the control button and give the entities tangent relation. Okay, now here you can see the tangent relation, the symbol of the relation here, it is tangent. The point here, we have to give them dimension. The dimension from this point to this point is 34 millimeter, and the dimension from this point, you can hold the right click on your mouse. You can hold the right click on your mouse here, and you can see a window will appear. You can see here. Hold the right click on your mouse, and you can see a window will appear. You can choose a smart dimension much faster. So the dimension of this arc is 50 millimeter, the radius of the arc, and the radius of this arc is 50 millimeter. But we should apply a relation. Remember that a good designer always use the good relation and never use the repetitive dimension. So instead of giving the here dimension 50 millimeter, just give it equal relation. And your sketch will be more flexible and will be much better. So here give them equal relation. Now these two arcs are equal, and let me see, here we have to give this arc dimension. So the dimension of this arc is 19 millimeter. But my sketch is still moving. You have to give it another dimension. The dimension from this point to this point is 40 millimeter. Now our sketch is black. Here I choose this circle. You have to draw this circle, and the dimension of this circle is 22 millimeter, the diameter of the circle. And we have to draw another circle here. And if you wanna coincidence this point to this point, you can just hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the circle here and the arc here and give them concentric relation, and your circle will be concentric. So here choose the smart dimension and give it a 16 millimeter dimension. Now you have to pattern these circles. So here choose a circle and give it a circle, draw a circle, and make it for construction. Here choose the here choose the circle, and in options choose for construction. And the diameter of this circle is 15.70 millimeter times 2. Here we have the radius, but we need diameter. So here, okay. Now we have to draw a circle and draw this circle here. The circle is 6 millimeter in diameter. Here is the radius. You can see the R3 radius. Okay. Now we have to pattern this circle. Just here choose circular pattern and choose the center of your pattern. So here choose the entities to pattern, choose this circle, and here delete this parameter and choose the point here. Your circle will be patterned around this circle. So here we need 6 circles, but my circles are blue, they are not fully defined and they are not black. So here I choose this point and the circle here, and I give it coincidence relation. It is not still fully defined, it is moving. The sketch is blue. So here I choose the point here. Sorry, I choose the point here and the circle here, and I give it coincidence relation. Now we have to do the same thing here. I draw the circle here, and here I make the circle for construction, and I have to give it dimension of 35 millimeter, the diameter. And here I draw a circle. The diameter of the circle is 8 millimeter, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. Here I choose the circular pattern, and in entities to pattern choose here, and the point here have automatically been chosen, and we need 8 circles. Okay, so we have to give it dimension, sorry, we have to give it relation. So choose the point here and the circle, and choose coincident relation, and choose the point here and the circle, and give it coincident relation. Now it is finished. It was a very simple sketch. You can see it's a little bit hard to see our sketch. So here choose hide and show items and hide your relations. Now it's much better. Please watch my other videos. I have already uploaded some other videos about drawing a sketch. Please watch them, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel again, and put your comments. See you in the next video.